President Donald Trump once said he hopes China will come down hard on U.S. companies so they can come home. But will they?
I don't know.
It is a rainy day in Shanghai. Tesla's Gigafactory is busy as usual. And that is where we are going to have a look. The old story of the factory is that it was built within a year, a record for Tesla in China. But the new story is that it is the only Tesla factory still running after COVID around the world. Tesla is special because of Elon Musk. But Tesla is special in China because it is the only American car maker entirely owned by Americans. And the multi-billion-dollar factory is planning to expand. These robots turn parts from China, the US, and Europe into cars without stop. Shanghai Gigafactory is crucial for Tesla's global ambition.
We want to make this factory extremely environmentally sustainable and for this to be a showpiece for the world.
The reason is obvious. China is already the largest market for electric cars. Success there would strengthen the company back home and lead to more export jobs. No other country is attempting to modernize as quickly as China, and that is why Tesla is moving fast and rolling out cars even faster.
Our goal is to try to get the old cars to be electric. And still, even in China, electric cars are still a small percentage of the total number of cars sold. But I think probably a majority of new cars manufactured will be fully electric in less than 10 years.
The Chinese domestic market is expanding, growing very fast. Definitely, the FIEs focusing on China's domestic market will expand further their supply chains in China.
To start a business, you need every part to work on its own. You also need other parts to join. And all the parts from around the world will get through these doors into Gigafactory of Tesla. And this example of how an American brand connects with Chinese speed, a new technology connects with a huge market, and most importantly, how we connect now with future. Just 12 kilometers to the east of Tesla's factory, you could see that future. This is the world's largest port run by robot, and there is nowhere else told a story about the trade between China and the United States better than this place. Despite the shocks from COVID and tariffs, shipping trade across the Pacific rose by 20% in August. And for once, they even ran out of containers to carry the cargo. Automated container terminal is the diamond of the crown. Automation will double the port's capacity from 3 million to 6 million TEU. It connects global trading routes with precision and efficiency. That is connection happening on steroids. Actually, over 100 countries trade more with China than with America. And the trend will continue. A 2019 McKinsey report highlights how the world's exposure to China is increasing every day. Because it is a market, supplier, and provider of capital in one. American efforts to decouple itself from China could happen, but it also spells an America decoupling itself from the world.
China remains a very competitive supply chain location because there are few countries in the world that can match China, where you can find almost everything you need to build something. China has a broad spectrum of strong upstream suppliers and downstream clients, making supply chains in China reliable and less vulnerable to disruptions.
China used to be boasting a great self-sufficient middle kingdom and claim it had everything it needed and didn't need the rest of the world. But China learned its lessons with huge costs. Will America?